Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to add music in Instagram stories. We've all seen those awesome Instagram stories with music. Here's a simple way to get your own Instagram stories with music. Start by posting a story. Once you have your photo or video chosen, tap on the sticker icon. Tap Music. If you don't see it on the top, you can search for it. If it still doesn't show up, that means your country doesn't allow the feature yet. Once you tap on Music, you can look for songs by popular, genre, mood, or simply search for your desired artists or songs. Tap on the song of your choice and it will allow you to trim the song, edit the length, the color of the lyrics, the style of the lyrics being shown, as well as just showing the artist info or the album art. Tap Done, then continue posting the story as per usual. Tap on Send To and tap Share next to your story. Do you browse Instagram with audio on or off? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.